In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete or deactivate your TikTok account. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the TikTok app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner where is your profile picture. Then you want to go up to the right corner where you see the 3 straight lines. You click on the 3 straight lines. Then you want to go and click on settings and privacy, the last option on the functions. Then what you want to do, you want to click on account, the first option over here. And the last function in the account menu is deactivate or delete. You want to click on it and you will get a bunch of info and what are the possibilities. You want to make sure you're aware of what will happen if you choose to deactivate, which in our case meaning that all the content that you previously published will not be available for the public. And all you gotta do if you want to reactivate your account is simply to launch the app and log in again. Reactivation to your account will simply recover all the content and everything will be republished and being available for the public again. On the flip side, if you really want to delete your account permanently, you can do so by clicking on the delete account permanently, and then you will have the option in 30 days period to go back if you change your mind, and how you actually reactivate your account and stop your account being in process of deletion is simply logging in. This is how the process works. It's the same exact process in other social media platforms, for example Facebook or Instagram. If you attempt to delete your account, they will give you 30 days period. I'm not sure, but I believe this is the same process with Twitter, currently X platform as well. So guys, you want to make sure you made your plans, you have your credentials, you already store elsewhere your data, you download your data, and you're ready to go. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.